Welcome back to another video. So I just got a comment from one of the viewers that was asking me, like, how do you remove this carbon fiber piece right here? So the first thing you want to do is you want to take off this trim piece from the shifter. So you use your finger or use a pry tool, a plastic pry tool. Don't use a flathead, you're gonna damage the plastic. So let's pull it up like that. Now this is the tricky part. If you don't have a pry tool, you use your fingers, like what I'm about to show you. So this right here, you want to grab the edges, like right here and right here, and then with your palm you want to rest it right here, so that you're not just pulling this up and then possibly this can actually bend and break. So you want to like leave it like this. So you want to grip it right here. See, grip it right here and then just pull it up, and it comes right up like that. I mean, yeah, I know you're gonna get paranoid and you're afraid it's gonna break off, but it won't. You just have to pull it up, from this corner, this corner, this corner, and then it comes right up. So basically when I'm pulling it, see this, my finger is actually right here, right on this edge, and then you just pull it up. So once again, I'm gonna show you. Yes, actually held on by clips. See, it's like that. Then your fingers again, your palm is gonna rest right here and right here, so that it doesn't really flex it and then bend it as much as you're just pulling it up like this, and you can actually damage this. So the same thing, like this, and then just pull it up with your fingers. See? And then just slide your fingers under here and just pull it up gently, and then it comes right up. So plus by removing this pieces and then removing this whole console, you can actually change the LED light for the shifter to LED or whatever color you want, but that'll be on another tutorial video. So this is how you remove the trim pieces for 2004 to 2008 Acura TL.